A very warm and hearty welcome to everyone, ladies and gentlemen. I am Kata. Welcome everyone here on this amazing awards night. Thank you so much, everyone, for making it special for us tonight. All right, now it's time to introduce the Top Notch Foundation, which is the foremost provider of high-end market research to the world's largest leading industry with sustainable competitive advantage arising from our strong brand, unmatched credibility, market leadership across businesses and a large customer base. We deliver analysis, opinions and solutions that make markets functions better. And the main purpose of the award is recognize Indian most brilliant leaders and service education, healthcare sector, business sector and real estate sector. We are announcing International Education Leaderships Award 2021. लैंप लाइटनिंग की तरफ बढ़ते हैं एंड दीप प्रज्वलन के लिए मैं बुलाना चाहूंगी हमारी चीफ गेस्ट एंड गेस्ट ऑफ ऑनर श्री फगन सिंह कुलस्ते जी. ही इज एन यूनियन मिनिस्टर फॉर स्टील एंड रूरल डेवलपमेंट गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया. He is an Indian politician who is currently serving as the Minister of State for Rural Development and Steel of India in the Government of India. और सर के साथ में बुलाना चाहूंगी श्री पंडित सुनील बराला सर, who is the Minister of State, Labor Welfare Council, Government of उत्तर प्रदेश. इनका भी हार्दिक हार्दिक स्वागत है सर. एंड सर के साथ मैं मैम को भी आमंत्रित करना चाहूंगी, मिसेस पूनम ढिल्लों. शी इज अ दिवा ऑफ इंडियन हिंदी लैंग्वेज फिल्म एंड अ पॉलिटिशियन एंड अ फॉर्मर to you. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आपका.
आरोग्यं धन संपदा शुभं कुरुभं कल्याणं. आरोग्यं धन संपदा शत्रुबुद्धि विनाशाय. दीपज्योतिर्नमोस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्नमोस्तुते दीपज्योतिः परब्रह्म.
रिक्वेस्ट करूंगी विनय चौधरी सर से, सुमित जी से और समीर जी से थोड़ी तालियां हो जाए. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. अब स्वागत और सम्मान कीजिए श्री पंडित जी सुनील बराला सर का और उन्हें सम्मानित करेंगे मिस्टर करुण जी एंड मिस्टर विनय चौधरी सर. बहुत बहुत स्वागत है. जोरदार तालियां होनी चाहिए. कीमती समय निकाल हमारे बीच यहाँ उपस्थित हैं. अब हम स्वागत करेंगे पूनम मैम का. बहुत बहुत स्वागत मैम आपका. चलिए शुरू करते हैं अवार्ड डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन की तरफ. एंड सबसे पहला अवार्ड जो आता है नेशनल इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ फायर एंड सेफ्टी इंजीनियरिंग, which is the India's biggest training and placement fire safety institute of India. And to receive the award, I would like to call Mrs. Shushma Lambate. She is the CEO. Congratulations, ma'am. My next award goes to, which is MBNK Digital Financial Marketplace Private Limited, which is the most emerging digital payment platform of the year. And the award goes to Mr. Amit, who is the Chief Marketing Officer. Amit sir, please join us on stage. Come on, तालियां बजती रहनी चाहिए आप सभी की. आगे बढ़ते हैं. And the next awardee, I would like to call upon Mr. Ritesh Verma, who is the founder of Pratima.net, the most trusted cancer care platform in India. This goes to the Zillion Group of Companies, the most trusted group of companies of the year, and the award goes to Mr. Daksha Sildhani, who is the co-founder and the managing director. Ma'am and sir, a huge round of applause. Come on, put your hands together, sir. Congratulations. अब बुलाना चाहूंगी the next awardee, which is the Pasura Crop Care Private Limited, the most innovative agricultural equipment and the bioproducts company of the year. And to receive the award, I would like to call Mr. Prashant Kumar Pabati sir on stage. A big round of applause. And the next award goes to Dr. N. Murugesan, who is the best nephrologist in Southeastern India. Sir, please join us on stage, Dr. N. Murugesan sir. A big round of applause, sir, and a huge congratulations. बढ़ते हैं आगे. The next awardee, I would like to call upon Dr. Lipi Singh. She is a Women International Healthcare Innovators of the Year. Dr. Lipi Singh, congratulations, ma'am. The next awardee I have here is Signity Pharmaceuticals Private Limited, the fastest growing pharmaceutical company of the Central India. And to receive the award, I would like to call Mr. Vishal Mulani, who is the director, Mr. Bhupendra Marliwa, who is also a director, and Mr. Sridhar Dhavle, sir, who is also a director. A big round of applause for all three of them. Moving on to the next awardee I have here is J. Joshi Infra Projects Private Limited, and the outstanding contribution in real estate sector, I would like to call upon to receive this prestigious award, Mr. Deep Joshi, who is the manager. Congratulations, sir. And the next category I have here is Women Healthcare Personality of the Year. And undoubtedly, it goes to Dr. Director of the Pranav Ayurveda Panchakarma Clinic, Pune. A huge congratulations to you, ma'am. And the next awardee I have here is, next award goes to Karma Management Global Consulting Solutions Private Limited, the most trusted tech-enhanced compliance and governance management consulting company of the year. And to receive the award, I would like to call Mr. Pratik Vaidya, who is the MD, and Mr. Kishore Vaidya, who is the chairman. Now let's call upon the next awardee. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's call upon the next awardee, who is from Swiss Garnier Group of Companies, the most trusted pharmaceutical manufacturer of the year. And to receive the award, I would like to call Dr. Vignesh Gandhi, sir, who is the director of the firm. Vignesh, sir, please join us on stage. All right, now I would like to call the next awardee, who is LNCT Group of North India, and the award goes to Mr. Jay Narayan Choksi, who is the Chancellor and the founder of the college. And the next awardee I have here is the Best Hair Transplant and PRP Treatment in Kerala. And to receive the award, I would like to call Dr. Sunil S. Pai, who is the Managing Director of the company. All right, now it's time to announce the next awardee, who is Dr. Krishna Mohan R., the most trusted urologist and the consultant of the year. And to receive the award, I would like to call Dr. Krishna Mohan R. So, congratulations, Krishna, sir. Moving on to the next awardee, which is Pranav Ayurveda Panchakarma Clinic. And the category I have here is the most innovative Ayurveda healthcare clinic of the year. And the award goes to Dr. Priti Mangesh Deshmukh. Ma'am, a huge round of applause again. And congratulations to you. चलिए बढ़ते हैं आगे. Dr. Vishwanath BL, the most innovative physician and diabetologist of the year. I would like to call sir to please receive the award, Dr. Vishwanathan BL, sir. Congratulations, sir, for winning this award. I would like to call upon the next awarded, which is Luxotic Private Limited, the most innovative company for perfume and fragrance items. And to receive the honors and to do the honors, we have this amazing sir. Ma'am, please come, Mrs. Banu Lakshmanan, who is the Managing Director. A huge round of applause. And we have ma'am, lovely to receive the awards. The next awardee is Hind Singh School, the best public school in Chittorgarh. And to receive the award, I would like to call Dr. Bindu Nair, she is the principal. A huge round of applause for ma'am and huge congratulations. Moving on to the next award I have here is the Novel Tissues Private Limited, the most innovative manufacturer of wet tissues and the other personal hygiene products of the year. And to receive the awards, I would like to call Mr. Adavyappa Balappa Godamani, who is the director. The next award, the best quality with commitment in the printing and packaging industry for the year 2021. I would like to call Mr. Vikas Rambasha, who is the director. And the next awardee, I would like to call the Biora Life Sciences Private Limited, the most innovative biotech company. And to receive the award, I would like to call Mr. Siddharth Salunke, sir, who is the corporate director here. All right, moving on to next. We have IITM, which is the Regional Institute of Digital Marketing, the best edutech company in India for the job-oriented courses. And to receive the awards, I would like to call Mr. S. Chandra Kumar, who is the founder of that. Sir, a huge round of applause to you. Moving on to the next awardee, Dr. K.M. Ramchandran, and the category I have here is the Iconic Leader of the Year. All right, moving on to the next awardee, which is Inspire Marketing Solution Private Limited. And the category I have here is the Best Digital Marketing Company of the Year of Delhi and NCR. And the award goes to Mr. Prakash Kumar, who is the founder of the company. A huge round of applause, Prakash Kumar, sir. The next awardee को बुलाना चाहूँगी Betacon Hospital, the most trusted diabetic care hospital of the year, and the award goes to Dr. Pramod Ji Hiramaster. चलिए बढ़ते हैं आगे. The next awardee, which is Palwez Best Control Private Limited, and the category I have is the most trusted best control services provider of the year. I would like to call upon Mr. Girish Ramchandra Palwez, sir. Blue Wing Group of Institutions, and the category I have here is the most innovative education institution with the excellent placement of the year. And to receive the award, I would like to call Mr. Soni Maniranjan, who is an MD of the institution. चलिए बढ़ते हैं आगे. Mr. Biju Begu is the Gridya Technology Private Limited. The category I have here is the Tech Startup of the Year, Cyber Security. बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो सर. अगला अवार्ड जाता है Mr. Ajay Kamath sir को, who is the Digital Leader of the Year. Mr. Ajay Kamath sir, please come and receive the award. चलिए बढ़ते हैं आगे. The next awardee की तरफ, Aspirants of Solutions Private Limited. The category I have here is the Best Digital Business Technology Solution provided in Telangana. I would like to call Mr. K. Naveen sir, who is the founder and the managing director. Congratulations, sir. And the next award goes to the most trusted diagnostic center of the year, and the award goes to Medivision Scan and Diagnostic Research Center Private Limited. Berly Derek Neville is the director. A huge round of applause for Berly, sir. Moving on to the next awardee is Dr. Tinku Joseph Rodkey, promising interventional pulmonologist in India. Moving on to my next awardee is HTP Global Technologies Private Limited, and the category I have here is the most trusted company for IT, telecom, infrastructure and managed services of the year in Maharashtra region. Moving on to my next awardee, and the next award goes to Mr. Sudarshan Sabat sir, and the category is the best mind trainer in the world. चलिए बढ़ते हैं आगे, बुला लेते हैं नेक्स्ट अवार्डी को, Dr. Prabhabir Bhaumik, the best pediatrician and the healthcare consultant of the year, Dr. Prabhabir Bhaumik sir. A huge round of applause for sir. चलिए बढ़ते हैं आगे, बुला लेते हैं नेक्स्ट अवार्डी को, Dr. Shridev Shastri, the most trusted astrologer in West Bengal. Congratulations sir. All right, congratulations. आगे बढ़ते हैं. Mr. Aryan Sabat, who is the youngest author and the trainer in India. Master Aryan Sabat, ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Aryan, everyone. Congratulations, Aryan. The future, the bright future of India, I would say. Congratulations, Aryan. चलिए बढ़ते हैं आगे, the next awardee की तरफ. And the next award is Jay Developer, the best affordable houses in Nashik. And to receive the award, I would like to call Mr. Vijay Vasudev Lalwani sir, who is the owner of the farm. The next awardee is Shivaya Hospital, the most promising Ayurveda hospital of the year, Dr. Avinash. Congratulations to you, sir. Next award is Helen School, the most innovative school with excellent education in Bihar. And the award goes to Mr. Sanjay Singh, who is the director. Congratulations, sir and ma'am. चलिए बढ़ते हैं आगे. The next award is Dr. Mitul Vasa, with the Vizaban, the Global Sales Limited, the youngest business leader of the year. Dr. Mitul is the chief managing director as well. Lovely, sir. Congratulations for winning this award. The next award is Keva Kaipo Industries Private Limited, the most innovative herbal product company of the year. Ladies and gentlemen, can we have a huge round of applause for all the awardees here tonight? तो सबसे पहले आमंत्रित करना चाहूंगी श्री पंडित सुनील भराला जी को, If you can please join us on stage and कुछ शब्द अगर आप हमारे बीच रख सके, कुछ कह सके.
टॉप नॉच फाउंडेशन के अध्यक्ष हमारे बहुत प्रिय, जिन्होंने इस कार्यक्रम का आयोजन किया, ऐसे श्री विनय जी, मैं इतना कहूंगा कि अपने अपने जगत के जो अंतर्राष्ट्रीय स्तर पर आपने अपनी छवि बनाई है, उस छवि को आगे बढ़ाते हुए और जो भी व्यक्ति इस अंतिम पायदान पे खड़ा है, सुलभता से रोजगार मिल जाए, उसकी रोजी रोटी की चिंता हो जाए, और हम यही कामना करेंगे कि आपका व्यापार उद्योग रातों रात चौगुना बढ़े। इन्हीं शब्दों के साथ अपनी वाणी को विराम दूंगा। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
अब मैं बुलाना चाहूंगी मैम को.
Namaskar, good evening. Awards and rewards, these are two things. Rewards is one thing, but getting awarded is acknowledgement for your endeavors, for your success, and for all that you have attained. I congratulate all the winners here today. I think each of you has done probably hard work throughout the years to have been able to attain what you have today. It's my pleasure to be here and to be able to personally give you the awards. I congratulate this very well organized event. Congratulations and best wishes again. Thank you.
अब मैं गुजारिश करना चाहूंगी माननीय मंत्री जी से, श्री फग्गन सिंह कुलस्ते जी से, कि वो मंच पर आए.
धन्यवाद विनय जी. देश में काम करने वाले विभिन्न सेक्टर्स के, एक विशेषकर इंडस्ट्री के जो हमारे जगत के जो हैं, जिनको आपने सिलेक्ट किया है अनेक अनेक क्षेत्रों में, जितने अवार्डीज हैं जो अलग अलग सेक्टर्स के अंदर, जिनने इस देश में और दुनिया में इंडस्ट्री के सेक्टर में काम करने वाले जो विशेष क्षेत्र में जिनकी प्राथमिकता है, अभी मैं ऐसे सभी अवार्डीज को भी शुभकामनाएं देता हूं, बधाई देता हूं. इन परिस्थितियों में भी काम करने के साथ साथ विनय जी ने उनके बारे में चयन किया. मैं ऐसे सभी महानुभावों को भी शुभकामनाएं देता हूं, बधाई देता हूं, और विशेषकर विनय जी को, उसकी पूरी टीम को और सभी अवार्डीज को भी बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं देता हूं. धन्यवाद.
धन्यवाद आदरणीय मंत्री जी.
I congratulate everyone from Top Notch Foundation. So all the members, it's very easy just to point out mistakes, but the kind of sweat and the effort have gone for each member.
टॉप नॉच टीम का पूरा धन्यवाद जो इस मतलब मुकाम तक समझा मुझे. काफ़ी हृदय से आप लोगों का धन्यवाद करता हूं, और मैं ये कहना चाहता हूं कि आप लोग जिस तरह से हम लोगों को इनकरेज कर रहे हैं, मैं तो खुद ने ये एज ए ड्रीम, एक सपना है जिसको आप लोगों ने पूरा किया है.
It is a well organized team, and we are very thankful to Top Notch Foundation for organizing this award ceremony, and it was really a grand show, and we really enjoyed your hospitality and the way you selected the winners and approached us, and everything was well organized, and you have an excellent team. The award doesn't go to an individual, it goes to the organization, so this represents to each and everyone who are working in the organization.
The event has come out as a great success, so I really thank the entire team of Top Notch.
The first step is always here, and this first step we are here getting this award, and it's because of Top Notch, who appreciated, recognized, and made this happen to us. So thank you, Top.
I would like to thank Top Notch Foundation for award honoring us with the most trusted group of companies of the year award. Right, we appreciate their research, we appreciate their kind of data analysis which they have done on our various customers and on our various platform, because of which we could have been reached this position.
We are having well-trained staff and team of doctors with facilities like Panchakarma, Shirodhara, then hair and skin treatments. I'm really grateful to Top Notch Foundation and all the chief guests and all the jury members who have bestowed us with all these honorable awards today. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Certainly it was graceful, and we are delighted to be part of it, and for the award felicitated to Signity Pharmaceuticals.
I would like to thank Dr. Anand Bankar sir, who is the director of National Institute of Fire and Safety Engineering College, that he has given us that platform to receive the award from Top Notch Foundations.
Top Notch, they are doing a good job, and I am sure in the coming years again our association from M-Bank will be with Top Notch.
अच्छा कार्यक्रम कर रहे हैं टॉप ब्लेंड, इनको उन प्रतिभाओं को ढूंढ के जो जिंदगी में कुछ उपलब्ध करें हैं उनको आगे बढ़ाने का एक बहुत अच्छा साधन है, और जिसको इस तरह के सम्मान मिलते हैं वो निश्चित रूप से आगे बढ़ के कुछ ना कुछ नया करना चाहता है। ये प्रकृति का नियम है। मैं इस आयोजन के लिए सफलता के लिए धन्यवाद करता हूँ।
I would like to thank the organizers, especially Top Notch, to actually, and the jury as well, to really select us. They not only believed in current tech which we have, which is our B-Process V-Check, the flagship product, but also the future. Thank you to all my team members, my employees, my Falcons, my family, my chairman, Mr. Kishore Vaidya, my wife, Komal, and all my clients, supporters, associate partners, everyone.
I warm-heartedly extend my thanks to esteemed organization and organizing committee for choosing me for this honor.